everybody, my name is ATTT Studios, and today I'm going to be showing you guys where all the Buttcoin stashes are in the construction map. Let's go! First is the Buttcoin, usually next to the map every update that brings a map in. Next is right next to this music studio. Next, there should be a button right here on my screen. I already got it, so next one should be right here. And as you can see, I already got it. I haven't got this one, but the last Buttcoin stash should be right here. So I hope you guys liked that video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!